Hi grade 1. I'm Miss Iman Sayed from Learner's Teacher Iman channel. Today I will resume Unit 8 in your book Connect Plus from Step Ahead book. But before I will resume our unit today, I would like to say don't forget to make, share, like, subscribe to my channel, send you new videos. Let's go to resume our unit today. Last class, last class, last class, we stopped on lesson. Stopped on lesson what? On lesson. We took lesson 1, 2, 3. Today I will start unit. I will start lesson 4 in unit 8. Let's go to learn more about this lesson. Read and repeat. We have bakery. Last class we talk about jobs and the places of this the person who works in this shops. Right? We say the baker works in bakery. Doctor works in hospital. Engineer works in building site. Firefighter works in fire station. Okay, we have farm, we have school. The farmer works in a farm. The teacher works in school. So we have last class we talk about jobs and the places of these jobs. Here we have the places of jobs like bakery, hospital, building site, fire station, farm, and school. We have grow plant. When we say grow plant, grow used with what grade? With what grade? Grade 1. I will explain you grow. We have two expressions. We have two. Um, we have two verbs used with some nouns. We have grow. Grow used with what? Grow used with crops. What's the meaning of crops? Something that we plant, like vegetables. We grow vegetables. We say grow vegetables. We say grow rice. We grow rice. You know rice. All of us know rice and eating rice in dinner. In lunch. Vegetables, rice, fruits, fruits, um, vegetables, rice, fruits, bananas. Bananas. Yes, bananas. All this we all and etc. Okay. So grow is used with crops. We use keep, keep, and raise both with what? With animals. Okay, with animals. We use keep and raise with animals. That we say grow it, we raise sheep, dog, chicken. Okay, chicken. So this is the difference between this is the difference between grow. This is the difference between this is the difference between two verbs. The two verbs we have grow crops like vegetables, rice, fruits, and bananas. Keep and raise raise. We keep raise is not familiar with you because it aren't taken. We will take sorry we will take this verb in grade after we go to grade 4. No more about this verb. Okay, but the familiar verb that we use in now is keep. Okay, keep animals, sheep, keep with animals like sheep, dog, chicken, dogs. All of this use keep. Raise, we have the verb raise also used with animals, sheep, dog, chicken, and so on. Okay, let's go to our lesson. Continue our lesson today. I think it's clear now. Grade 1. Know about to know more about grow and okay. Let's continue our unit today. We have built buildings. We have work. We have eat, buy. All these are verbs. Work, eat, and buy. We have here the members of parents. Okay, parents. You know parents. Mom, dad, brother. We have mom, dad, brother. We have sister, grandfather, and grandmother. We have mom, dad, brother. We have sister, grandfather, and grandmother. Let's read and learn these examples. A teacher works at school, as we said before. In the previous page, after we telling these examples, I said to you, teacher works in at school, firefighter works in fire station. As I told this in previous page, okay, and this is the practice about that I told you, okay. A teacher works at school. So what's the teacher doing? Teaches children. Works at school and he teaches children. Let's go to another example. A firefighter works in a fire station. So he helps people to fight the fire. Okay. A doctor works in a hospital. He looks after what? The people. A farmer works on a farm. He grows vegetables. A builder works on a building site. He builds buildings. An engineer works in a building site. So builder and engineer both work in the same place, building site. He builds buildings, but the builder is the assistant that helps the engineer. Let's practice. Let's go to the first exercise on dependent on this lesson. The teacher works at school. Yes or no? All of us saying yes, miss. The teacher can work in hospital? No, can't work in the hospital. So I will put yes in this school. Let's go to another one. A farmer works on a building site. So we learned it in this example that farmer works in a building site. No. So this sentence is wrong. So I put no here. A baker works in a bakery. Yes. So I put yes here. A dentist works in a farm. No. A police officer works in a fire station. No, works in a police office. So it is a sentence. The answer of this sentence is no. A builder works on a farm. This is no. The nurse works in a hospital. Yes. A firefighter works at a fire station. So I would yes. A doctor works at a hospital. As we said before, you can say no. Okay, I said to you the teacher works. It's by logic that the teacher works at school. I said to you in the first sentence, teacher can't work in a hospital. So it's in this sentence is what is wrong. The doctor works in a school. No, it will not. The doctor doesn't work at school. Or so the doctor works in where the doctors work. The doctor works at a hospital. So is the answer here? It will be no. A farmer grows vegetables. So yes, I would yes here. Let's do this exercise. As we know before, we have a rule: subject plus verb plus object. We must know grade 1 this rule to answer this question. I would like to say that subject it will be pronoun and it will be noun. The subject can be pronoun and can be noun. In the question form, we replace verb instead of subject. Let's go to answer the questions below this. The questions below. Here what I say, my mom. So this is the subject here. Subject. I will answer 3 and I leave 2 sentence, do it as a homework, okay? To practice by yourself, okay? My mom is a doctor, okay? If you write this rule, you can't have misunderstanding about this picture grade, okay? You must write this rule to answer these questions correct, okay? My mom is a doctor. What's the hospital nurse in? So the answer it would be the nurse works in a hospital. Works in a hospital. The nurse works in a hospital. The nurse works in a hospital. So the nurse works in a hospital. This is subject, verb, and action. Okay. Let's go to another one. Bit looks a animals after. So it would be a bit. What is the meaning of it? The person who trade with what? With animal. A bit looks after animals. Looks after animals. Looks after animals. Looks after animals. Okay? Looks after animals. I will leave the two sentences to do it as a homework, okay? I answer 3 and the rest it will be a homework. Let's go to another one. Here is missing letters. I will I will answer some of them, and after you studying the vocab, you can do this. This exercise depends on studying your vocab. You must study the vocab and answer this question. I answer some of them, and I leave the rest to do it as a homework after studying the vocab. Okay. Both questions must be done on your keeping the vocab. This question missing letters and an scramble of this vocab. Both must be studied by heart the vocab. Here is built site, bakery, farm. Okay. I leave the rest to do it as well. Let's answer this question. A doctor works in a what? In what? Doctor works in what? In hospital. So I select this one. A firefighter works at a fire station. A baker works in what? In bakery. A farmer works in what? In a farm. A nurse works in what? In a hospital. By logic, all of us see the nurse is the assistant of what? Of the doctor. So it works in what? In hospital. You can't work in a school. A builder works on what? On a building site. So the builder and the engineer both works in building site. Builder is the assistant of engineer, and the nurse is the assistant of what? Of the doctor. Okay, we must know this. Okay, okay, grade one. Builder works on what? On building site. A distance works in a distance. The one who trade the distance what the one who trade your teeth works in what? On hospital. Okay. The farmer works in the farmer works in what? In a farm. Works in a farm. A builder works in what? Works in. All we have works in. Works in. A builder, the farmer, a farmer works in. A farmer works in. A builder works on a building site. I'm a doctor. Space in a hospital. So I look while I work, while I build, I work. Okay. I'm a farmer. I space vegetables. I plant on the board the uses of what of keep and grow. And we said that grow is with what? With group. So we select what? We select grow. I'm listening to saying this man grow. You are clever pupil. He is an engineer. He do what? He builds engineer. So the engineer doing what? Builds buildings. A farmer grows what? Grows vegetables. Can farmer grows teeth? Wrong. Grows building? Wrong. So grows what? Grows vegetables. Let's go to another. I'm telling the wrong to know that is wrong. Okay? To know to select when we select, you think what we selected. Grows. So I told you grows always followed by what? By groups like vegetables, like fruits, like rice, and so on. Yes. A farmer works on a farm, works on a farm. So I will select farm. A firefighter works a fire station. It's a fire station. Okay. Let's go to another one. So here is the farmer works on a farm. The builder works on a building site. Okay. This is the propositions here on a building site. Okay. On a building site and on a farm. Okay. Like we say this. Okay. On a farm, on a building site. On a farm, and on a building site. Okay. So I will repeat again. I will repeat again because if I do it wrong, I will remind you. The farmer works on a farm. The builder works on a building site. Okay. In with fire station. In with the fire station and the school. Okay. And at the school. Okay. Let's go to continue our exercise. A teacher works at what? At school, without thinking. He works at a school. A doctor works in a hospital, without thinking also. By logic. A baker works in a bakery. I'm listening to say Miss Imam Bakery. You took it in the last class and I think you are reminded with what we told. A builder works on what? On a building site. Works on what? On a building site. Works on a building site. Okay, let's go to another lesson. Here is architect. This is an architect. Okay, this is architect. Cross the road. Cross the road. You are going to school and you cross the road. Office. New ideas. Customer. You have a customer service. If you go any place, we have the section that called customer service. Okay, customer service. Okay, you know it. If you go with your parents in the bank or in supermarkets or any place that represent you as service, we say customer service. Okay, after having the service, we have the customer service give you the service that you want. Okay, we have on paper, draw, hear, eat lunch. If we have go home, when we say go, don't put the prepositions there here. Don't put there before home. We say go home without they. Okay, who to ask about what? Ask about subject person. Who used to ask about what? About subject person. At 4 o'clock. Here we use at with what? Grade 1. We use at with time. We use by, bus. And we say also by the preposition by and followed by the the mean of transport without adding there. Okay, by bus. We have at home, at night, get up. Get up means wake up, means wake or wake up. Wake and equals get up. Okay, talk to. Let's go to the phonics. We have farmer, knight, sharpener, firefighter. The phonics ER here. We have farmer, sharpener, firefighter. Farmer, sharpener, firefighter, and we have knight. Let's go to another topic, to another item. Busy day. We have busy day. We have cow. We have eat breakfast. We have him. Sarah is an artist. She goes to her office at 9 o'clock. At 11 o'clock, Sarah talks to a customer. At 2 o'clock, Sarah eats lunch. This is the in this topic. What is this topic talk about? Grade. You can guess with me. What did this topic talk about? Grade 1. Grade about what? About the routine of what? Of Sarah. Sarah is an artist. She goes to her office at 9 o'clock. So we have routine and we have steps that we do we do after step after step. Okay, like we say, Sarah is an artist. She goes to her office at what? At 9 o'clock. At 11 o'clock, what Sarah doing? Talks to a customer. At 2 o'clock, what Sarah doing? It's lunch. At 3 o'clock, at 3 o'clock, what's Sarah doing? She has some new ideas. She draws her ideas on a paper. Has new ideas, and we draw these ideas on paper because her work depends on what on her image on her imagine to practice the imagine on a paper. Okay. Sarah goes home at 4 o'clock. She goes home by what? By bus. A police officer helps us cross the road. A nurse helps us if you are hurt. If you are here, it helps animals if they are sick. So we have if here. I help my grandmother if she needs it. Who helps you? My mom helps me. I can say you. Who helps you? Can say mom helps me. Someone is telling what my brother helps me. My friend helps me. Can everyone say who helps me? Who here means subject pronoun. Means we know, we want to know here subject, to ask about subject, subject person. We have a subject person. Okay. Who to ask about what? About subject person. Not something. You know, subject person, not something. Like say, my mom. Here, who? We have I. So we must know this very well, grade 1. Okay? Let's continue what we talking about. Who helps you? My mom. So here is, I answer by mom. Sorry. My mom helps me. Who do you help? I help my little brother. Here is the time. We have 3 o'clock. This is called 3 o'clock. So there's 3 here on 12. Here is 10:30. I would like to know 10:30 what we know. We have 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, and 60. Okay. Here is we have 10. You can say 10, 30, or you can say another one, but by another way, half past 10. But here we say 10, 30. So write 10, 30. Okay. This is what? This is 12. Can't say 12, 60. No, we say 12 only. Okay. Here it's 5. It's 5 what? 5, 30. What we know, how we know this iman by saying as I told you, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, and 60. Let's go to another activity. It's 2 o'clock. Here is 2 o'clock. Yes, I put yes here. She's an artist. Is an artist? No, it's not an artist. It's what? Yes, is a. I think it's doctor, not an artist. So I put no. Here is 9:30. Is it 9:30? No, it's 30, but not 9. So it's what? It's 3:30. So it's right or wrong? No. So I put no. If it helps animals, yes. I get up at 6 o'clock. No, it's not 6. It's what? It's 5. So I put no. She goes home by bus. Yes. Here is yes. I eat breakfast at 7:30. 7:30. Yes. He looks after his little brother. Yes. Here we have, as we told before, subject, verb, object. I will write it. Every question like this, I will write it to remember what you answer. Okay, you must write it to answer the question correct. Okay, we have subject. Subject. I told you subject can be pronoun, and can be noun. What's the meaning of noun? Name. A name, like when we say Ahmed or he. Ahmed is a noun. He is a pronoun. Okay, so a subject can be a noun and can be a pronoun. Here is we have it. It is pronoun or noun. It is pronoun, not noun. So I put it. Where is the verb here? It. It's 3. It's 3:30. It's 3:30. It's 3:30. Another one, and we put full stop here. Okay, I would like to say grade 1. If we have a question in this question in this item, we must put the question mark at the end of the sentence. I will answer one of them to know more about this. 4 is it o'clock. What is the sentence? It will be the sentence. It will be it's 4 o'clock. It's 4. It's 4 o'clock. It's 4 o'clock. I will answer some of them, not all, but to make your video short, not long. Okay. If we haven't, if I don't answer the rest of the questions, it will be a homework. Do it. I will leave the link of this video on the link of this book on the video. Make to help your parents to download it and answer the rest of the questions. Okay. You who helped you. So the answer in this question, what I can do it, I can say who. As I told you, when in the question I replace the verb instead of what, instead of subject. Like we say, who do you help? 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 And I put what at the end of the sentence? I put question mark. Don't forget grade 1 to put question mark here. Okay. So I answer some kinds of unscripted to know how to answer it. So in the statement sentence we use subject, verb, object. When we do the question form like this, we say who do you help? So we replace the verb instead of subject. Who do you help? So here I replace the verb instead of subject. Let's go to another question. Let's go to another question. Here is we have unscripted also, but I would like I answer some of them and I leave the rest to do it as a home. Okay? Third, we have road, we have lunch. I leave the rest to do it as a homework. If you keep the tab, you can hear this teacher. Okay, let's go to another one. I will answer 6 sentences of this, and I leave the rest to do it as a home. Okay. Space o'clock. It's 2:30. It's 2. It's 32. What can we say here? O'clock. We can 2:30. We note as 2:30. Not 2. Not 32. Okay. Uh, a nurse. A nurse helps us if we nurse. Nurse works in what? In hospital. So helps us when we are good, wrong. When we are well, wrong. When we are hurt. Okay. If we have a hurt in our leg or our hand, the nurse helps us to treat this one. Okay. So I select it. A space helps us to cross the road. What is the person who helps us to cross the road? Police officer. Space 30. It's what? It's 6:30. So as we know, as we told on the clock, that 5, 10, 15, 20, 25 to say, so we say 6:30. We can say half six half past 6. We can say the another way 6:30 like this. We have 6. Okay, 6:30. Avid helps animals if they Avid helps animals. The one who trade with animals helps the animals when they if they are sick. Here's my mom. So here is my mom. So as we know, which keyword feature used to ask about subject person. Which one ask which word ask about subject person? Who? You can say what ask about something. When asked about time. So I select this one. Who helps you? So this keyword feature ask about a subject person. Work in an office. Which one works in an office? Builder, wrong. Carpenter, wrong. Which one? Architect. So this one is the correct one. He goes home. We use what is the proposition that we use with time? A. I will leave the rest to do it as a homework. Because I don't want to make the video one. Okay. Here is I answer some of this. Or I answer some one from this exercise, and I will leave you the rest to do it as you know. Here is the clock. Okay, as we know, we say 10, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, and 60. Okay, here is we know the numbers of the clock. So we can do it as the number here. We have 10 o'clock. So what can I do 10 o'clock? I can do 10 o'clock by doing this. This is the long arm. This is sorry, short arm on 10 and the long arm on 12. Okay, the short arm on 10 and the long arm on 12. Okay, in the next one we have 5:30. What can I do 5:30? The short arm it will be on 5 and the long arm it will be on 6. So 5 here is 5:30. I would like to make short, not long, to know the difference between long and short. Okay, there is short, very short here, very short, and that is wrong. And this is the long arm. This is the long arm on 30, and this is on 4. Okay, I do it one of them, and I would like to do the rest as we told you. Okay, I will leave the rest to do it as a. Let's go to another exercise. Here is we have pictures and we have words here. Okay, and he is an article. So I select this one by this one. It's a sharpener. I go to school by bus. It's what? It's 9. It's 9. It's 9. Okay. Here is give you the time, and so it will say here what it's. So I say it's 12. It's 12 o'clock. It's 12 o'clock. So we say 12 o'clock. Okay, 12 o'clock. Here we say I will say 12 o'clock. 12. I write it in numbers. 12 o'clock. Sorry, I will write it. We say 12 o'clock. 12. Write it in letters, not in numbers. 12 o'clock. 12. Written like this, okay? As I told you to do what? Do it as I told you, okay? It's what? It's 2. It's 2. 2 what? It's 2:30. Okay, it's 2:30. As I learned you to do 5, 10, 15, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55 answers. Okay, as we told you. Let's go to another exercise. Let's go to another exercise. We have computer, stove, swing machine. This is swing machine, fridge. If we go to the teller, we can see this tool. Okay, swinging machine, fridge, semester. This is seamstress, not semester. Seamstress. Factory, make clothes, tractor, kitchen, weed, heat up, cut, keep food cold, use. We have restaurant, make chairs, police station, table, student, wood, study, job, online, bridge, right, seal meat, like this is the if you are in you go to Facebook or you have or you have in Facebook or WhatsApp or anything. This is the symbols used in social media as it is. Okay, this symbol used with this social media as well. Okay, like you say do it. It can this is a symbol of like or yes or great. Can do this symbol. Okay, design houses. My name's Rami. I'm a chief. I work in. So here is in this exercise we have jobs and everyone say what we are doing. Okay, what he is doing. Okay, or she is doing. My name is Rami. This person is called Rami. I'm a chief. I work in the kitchen. I use a stove to heat up food. I use fridge to keep food cold. My name is Dina. I'm journalist. I talk to people. I use a computer to write. My name is Magda. I'm a C mistress. A C mistress. I'm a C mistress. I make clothes from cotton fabric. I use a swinging machine to make clothes. This is Sami. He's farmer. He grows wheat. Amir is baker. He makes bread he makes bread from the flour. Talia works in a factory. She makes flour from wheat. Mariam is a mother. She buys bread. Mariam is a mother. Mariam is a mother. She buys bread at the bakery. Farmer Sami uses a tractor to cut wheat. Here is we want to say that uses adding s with singular like this. We have chief uses stove to heat up food. Chief uses fridge to keep food cold. Journalist uses a computer to write. A seamstress uses a swinging machine to make clothes. A farmer uses a tractor to cut the wheat. She buys. Here is we have singular and we're adding a C. She buys bread at the bakery. Let's go to answer this question. Here is a chief uses a computer. This is wrong. No. A seamstress using swinging machine. Yes. A journalist uses a stove. No. A farmer uses a tractor. Yes. A chef uses a fridge. Yes. A farmer grows wheat. Yes. Okay, I will leave this rearrange to do it as a homework. I will leave this to as a homework to make the video longer. I will answer some of these questions. I answer some of these 3 questions and 6 sentences, and the rest it will be a homework. A chef uses is what to heat up. To heat up. Use what to heat up? Stove. Can use a fridge? Wrong. Can use the stove. We make flowers from what? From wheat. Excellent. I'm listening. You think this wheat. We learn it in also in Connect. Okay. A journalist uses a space to write. A journalist uses what to write? Uses computer. Can use a tractor? Wrong. Can't use a printing machine? Wrong. Can use what? Tractor. A chief works in what? Chief works in what? In kitchen. All of us go to the restaurant and see the chief works at a kitchen. Space makes from fabric. Which one makes from clothes from? Which one makes clothes from fabric? Carpenter? Wrong. Baker? Wrong. So seamstress. So I will select seamstress. A farmer uses a space to cut wheat. Uses what? Uses a tractor. I will leave from 7 till 12. It will be homework to I will leave it to do it as a homework because I don't want to make the video long. Okay. Another I will answer the 3 and I leave the 3 the rest of the 3 sentences as a homework. She's based in New York. She do what? Can't you say your word? Wrong. Here is we want to say using the verb the verb with singular by adding s to the verb. Okay, the pronoun when the pronoun when the pronoun or the noun is singular in the we use s by the verb. Okay, simple tense we use s adding s. When we say I, you can't use s. Okay. Here is she stays in Europe. She does what? She works. Why I select what? Works because she is singular, not plural. Here is plural. They use or uses or using computers. You can't use using. Why? Because I don't have M is R and I did ing. You can't use uses. Why? Because it's not a singular. So my plural doesn't know that plural don't like singular. Plural doesn't like singular. So they, it would be use. He space he makes, make or making. So I told you, but I will make you I will leave you to make your mind. Can we say make? Wrong. Can we say making? Wrong. Why? Because when we are using ing, we must have verb to be and is are before the verb, helping verb. So it will be right or wrong. Wrong. So he what he do what he makes. So I select he we select makes lots of. I will leave from 4 to 6 to do it as a homework. Sorry, till the 8 do it as a homework. Okay. Here is pictures and we have some words here. I answer one and I leave the rest. I leave the another to do it as a homework. A chef uses what? Uses a stove. Here is a stove. So I select stove here. A journalist uses what? Uses a computer. It's a fridge. It's a fridge. A seamstress uses what? Uses a swinging machine. So I select swinging machine. I will leave this another one to do it as a homework. Let's answer the test related to this thing. A painter makes cakes. Is yes or no? Yes, I will select it. Doctor works in a hospital. Works in a hospital. Yes, works in a hospital. It's 7:30. No, it's not 7:30. It's what? It's 5:30. So it will be correct or not? No, it's not correct. A chief uses a swinging machine. Can chief use a swinging machine? Wrong. It's no. Can music is stove. So I put no. Here is unscribble. We told before subject plus verb plus object. Here is so I here is so I what can I start? I start by what? By what? A V. This is subject. What the V doing? So this is the subject. Which verb looks after? Look here is looks. Looks after animals. Looks after animals. Looks after animals. Here is we have question. What can I do this question by saying what do you want? So here is I told you that in the question form we replace the verb instead of what instead of subject. What do you want to be? What do you want to be? When you ask one to about the future job, I say I tell you what do you want to be? What do you want to be? What do you want? What do you want to be? What do you want to be? We have here dentist. We have here fridge. We have here school. I will leave the rest to do it as a home. Okay. As we told you before, that we must keep the vocab very well to ask to keep the vocab very well to answer the questions of unscreened words and missing letters. Let's go to another activity. Here is an space teacher or engineer or firefighter makes roads and bridges. So here is an. And is used with what? With a vowel sound, with a vowel sound. So can we say teacher? Can say firefighter? No, we say an engineer. So by logic, if this is an, so an talks by what? By concept or a vowel by vowel. So which one is vowel? Here is vowel. So we say engineer. I tell you what. Tell you that. I tell you what that why because when we answer the question of underline, we must think before you are selecting. Don't select without thinking. Here is makes roads and bridges. If you don't know that who makes this, you say we have an. And with what? With a vowel sound. So which one is this word? We have a vowel sound. This one. So I select this one. So must think before you are selecting the correct answer. A chef uses a space to heat up. Here is we know that chef uses something to heat the food. Which one? What they can use to heat the food? Stove uses stove. A builder works on what? On a building the site, the building site. Let's go to another exercise, to another sentence. And space. Here is also N. We have a vowel sound here. So which one? Arctic. Designed. They. So they. Verb to be that comes that followed by they. Which one? Are. So they takes are. A butcher. So butcher is singular. Like S or singular. Singular. Likes S or not like S. Sorry. Butcher is singular. Singular likes S or not liking or not or doesn't like S. Singular likes S. So I select this one. So the butcher sells. So I will select in the middle. Why? Because butcher is singular. So I select this. He is he is a or an or any baker. So this is concept about concept. So I select A. What he do? What? So here is what? So we have he. He used his singular. So I use it. What does he do? You can't say do. You can't say are. Why? Because do and I comes after it after plural. Comes before plural. So this is singular. So we say what does he do? Okay, does with singular. Okay, let's go to another one. It's what? It's 12 o'clock. He is a police officer. He is a journalist. It's what? A. It's what? 8:30 like this. Written like this. Here 8:30. 8:30. Written like this. And I will tell you how to write it. Okay? You can and tell you how you write it. Okay? It's easy to write. Okay? Journalist. 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 Okay? I will answer with the picture the pictures below. It's what? It's 12 o'clock. 12 o'clock. 12. 12 o'clock. 12 o'clock. And there is a police officer. Let's go to another one. This is a story. This is a story, but I think you already have this story. I will I will make you a, a video about story. Next class, I will start Unit 9. Today, I finished Unit 8. Thanks a lot until you meet again.